Hank Williams Jr., a musical maverick often hailed as Bocephus, has carved an indelible mark in American music history, blending the rugged soul of country, the grit of blues, and the electric energy of rock. Born Randall Hank Williams on May 26, 1949, in Shreveport, Louisiana, he inherited a legacy as the son of country music icon Hank Williams. But his story is far more than a tale of lineage. It's one of resilience, reinvention, and a battle-scarred rise to stardom. Get ready, because today we're giving you an exclusive tour of Hank Williams Jr.'s breathtaking sanctuary, where rustic charm meets pure luxury. Raised under the shadow of his father's legendary voice, young Hank Jr. took to the stage at the tender age of 8, channeling the echoes of his father's melodies. By 14, he made his television debut on The Ed Sullivan Show, captivating audiences with haunting renditions of Hank Sr. as hits. Yet, the weight of living in a musical shadow drove him to forge his own sound, a path punctuated by triumph, tragedy, and transformation. In 1975, Williams faced a near-fatal fall while scaling Ajax Peak in Montana, plummeting nearly 500 feet and shattering his skull and face. What followed was a 2-year odyssey of surgeries, 17 in total, and a painstaking recovery. Emerging from the ashes, he donned a signature look of sunglasses, a beard, and a cowboy hat, masking his scars and unveiling a new persona that exuded grit and rebellion. This rebirth marked his pivot into the harder-edged southern rock and outlaw country scenes, solidifying his place as a genre-bending pioneer. A prolific multi-instrumentalist, Williams boasts mastery over guitars, banjos, harmonicas, fiddles, and more, turning each performance into a thunderous symphony of raw emotion and technical brilliance. Hits like Family Tradition and A Country Boy Can Survive became anthems for rugged independence, while his Emmy-winning Monday Night Football theme further cemented his cultural footprint. By the 1980s, his albums dominated charts, often landing multiple releases in the top country albums rankings simultaneously. His collaborations with artists like Waylon Jennings and Charlie Daniels turned the tide of country music, fusing rock-infused swagger with Southern pride. Offstage, Hank Jr.'s personal life mirrors his dramatic career arc. His first wife, Mary Jane Thomas, stood by his side until her untimely passing in 2022, leaving behind a legacy of love and family. Tragically, his daughter Catherine Williams Dunning died in a car accident in 2020, adding yet another chapter of heartbreak to his life story. Despite these sorrows, Williams found love again, marrying Brandy, a longtime companion, in 2023. His children, including musicians Holly Williams, Hank Williams III, and Sam Williams, carry forward the family's musical torch, making the Williams name synonymous with country royalty. With a net worth estimated at $45 million, Williams' success spills far beyond the recording studio. His lifestyle echoes his larger-than-life persona, lavish yet grounded in Southern roots. His sprawling estates, including a rustic Montana retreat and a sprawling Tennessee mansion, offer glimpses into his world, where hunting trophies, vintage guitars, and Western memorabilia narrate his passions. Fans have often clamored for detailed house tours, marveling at his game rooms, recording studios, and expansive outdoor spaces that blend luxury with rugged charm. From grand halls to cozy nooks, this tour promises to quench your curiosity and leave you dreaming of wide-open spaces and timeless elegance. Nestled amid the rugged grandeur of Montana's wilderness, Hank Williams Jr.'s sprawling ranch is a sanctuary as untamed as the man himself. At 75, with 5 children and a legacy that spans generations, Williams has curated a lifestyle that blends rustic charm with sheer opulence. His Montana estate sprawls across hundreds of acres of rolling hills, dense forests, and pristine streams, a hunter's paradise and a songwriter's retreat. The property boasts a fully equipped lodge featuring vaulted timber ceilings, stone fireplaces that crackle with warmth, and panoramic windows offering breathtaking views of the Rockies. The game room doubles as a trophy hall, showcasing mounted elk, moose, and bear, testaments to his love for the outdoors. Meanwhile, his Tennessee mansion reflects a different side of the legend, elegance wrapped in Southern grandeur. The foyer greets visitors with a sweeping staircase and crystal chandeliers, while the great room dazzles with leather sofas, intricate wood paneling, and a grand piano ready to spark impromptu performances. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring marble countertops, copper fixtures, and professional-grade appliances fit for southern feasts. His personal study, lined with first-edition books and vintage guitars, reveals a quieter, contemplative side. Upstairs, each bedroom is a suite, adorned with plush furnishings and custom decor, while the master bedroom offers a spa-inspired bathroom complete with a soaking tub overlooking his private acreage. Outside, manicured gardens give way to an infinity pool, a horse stable, and winding trails that lead to secret fishing spots. For Hank Williams Jr., home isn't just where the heart is, it's where his story continues to unfold, one luxurious room and wide-open horizon at a time. Inducted into the Country Music Hall of Fame in 2020, Williams' legacy continues to resonate as a testament to survival, reinvention, and raw talent. Whether strumming a guitar under stage lights or retreating to his mountain lodge, Hank Williams Jr. remains a defiant outlaw, forever unapologetic, endlessly influential, and unmistakably American. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.